Awesome. Well done. You made it. I got your request and I'm emailing it to you right now. But first, please allow me to introduce myself. I'm Steve, and you will be receiving an email from simplepathtofreedom.com. Steve at simplepathtofreedom.com. Simple Path, why? That's what brought you to this page, right? You were looking for a simple way to have either financial freedom and or time freedom. That's how I started my journey too, where I started looking for a way that, man, just to get out of this rat race, right? This 9 to 5 or just get financial freedom. Just have some breathing room, right? To have a little more income at the end of the month than than you have income, right? So I just wanted to get on and introduce myself so you know that I am a real person. Why? Because you get bombarded with all kinds of emails all the time from various businesses, various people, and frankly, you don't know who you're getting anything from nowadays. I just wanted you to know that I am a real person. So let's start there. So first, let's jump over to one of my social media platforms, and this is the most common of them, right? And it is Facebook. So just so you know, this is me. You recognize that mug. That's me. That's me. I know it looks a little different. I got specs on, right? But that's me. Here's my page. I'm a real person. I have a wife. I am married. This is just my page. I have friends here. I use my social media platform as a way to promote any offer that I have. Now, that's one thing you will learn because not only does, social media, right? Mr. Zuckerberg or whoever, they make money off of us all day. They use their social media platforms as a huge list that they can advertise to you all day. And when you click on something, they find out your clicking habits and then they promote more of that same offer to you. That's exactly how this business model of affiliate marketing works too. You opt into a page, I see what you like or not like. You're on my list, and then I offer you different opportunities. So that's what I do on my page. I have opportunities of how to promote different offers. I put inspirational stuff up about what you see as multiple ways of making money. I see as multiple ways to build my list. I get interactions. I also have this program here. I have views of the sunset. I have a way to post my YouTube videos because I also have a YouTube channel. It's just some of my successes and the different opportunities that I have. Another YouTube video. Here's a proof pic of one of the opportunities that I'm in that I'm having success with. I got paid. There's one business here. Here's a different opportunity here. And here, these darker ones are another opportunity. So I'm having success in that. And success is only us attaining those goals, right? So if you set me going to get coffee in the morning, guess what? That was a success. And that's how we need to have our mindset set in this kind of business opportunity. But there'll be more on that later. Here's just a random picture of somebody driving down the street next to me. I snapped of another YouTube video, inspirational post, more proof of one of the opportunities. This is actually a YouTube video. Oops, we don't need that. Yeah, but that was a video I posted. Inspirational videos, more funny videos. Here's a screenshot of a success that I had in a different opportunity right here. These are $100 days that direct pay. This particular opportunity pays me direct to me for giving stuff away for free, right? And over again. So, and that's a video I made about it. But it goes on and on. Here's a $786 opportunity. I've made it that much over a course of time, right? Here's my YouTube success, showing people that you can do YouTube, and YouTube equals free traffic because people search for specific things on YouTube. They come across your video. You put your links in your description. They like what you're saying on the video and they click the link below. Why do you think everybody's always like, share, subscribe? Information's in the description box, right? So that's kind of the business model of online marketing. And I can tell you that it is an awesome business model. Way better than like MLM opportunities or other different opportunities like network marketing opportunities and stuff like that, where you make small commissions. Like affiliate marketing, you don't have to have a closet full of products. You basically It's digital or software based or tools based, right? So what I want to do now is I want to give you a quick overview of how this lays out, of how all online business lays out, so we can have a proper expectation of how you can make money online, right? So basically, step one is you always have some kind of traffic, whether it's offline, we use postcards, business cards, billboards, yard signs, drop cards. You always have paid traffic, which is like paying for ads on an internet page or a web page. You got banners, you got those flashing like buy here signs. You click and it takes you to an offer. That's kind of paid traffic, right? Or you can buy someone's email list and send your ad through their email list and get leads and market to them. That's paid. Then you have free organic traffic that you use time to generate, and that's where you get on social media, you do certain posts, or you create YouTube videos and content there, or you write a blog or whatnot, right? That's free. That takes time. So it's really not free, but it's not coming out your pocket directly. It's just eating up your time that you can never get back, right? So that's the first step. Then you take this and you drive this to your capture page, which is this page here or something like it, that entices you, gives you a solution to whatever problem you may have, because you want to discover how to make money right now from home. Simple, right? So you opt in, you put your email address in, you get on my list, and I can help you going forward, right? Find the opportunity that's right for you, right? Build the trust that I need to, right? Let you know who I am, bring you into the world and help into this world, and just kind of help you through it, right? And that's all I'm here for. Then after that, you'll get on my email list, like I said, and then you'll go to the offer on the next page, and it'll show you a little bit more about, how you can make money online or how you can solve whatever problem that brought you to this page in the first place, right? And if that doesn't work for you, guess what? You're on my email list here, and I can do exactly what Facebook and everybody else does, is present different offers to maybe see one that you can like or one that resonates with you more, where there's no pressure. I'm not actually selling it. I'm just presenting it to you. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. There's no obligation, and it doesn't take any, it doesn't hurt my feelings. So anyway, that's how that is all set up. Now, real quick, before I get too far, I want to show you that whatever opportunity is on this next page, I always provide some kind of bonus for partnering with me. Now, if you are in the US or Canada, these are some of the offers or bonuses that I offer to you. They're discounts, they're Vegas stays, they're vacations, they're hotel airfare, they're 2-night stays, 3-night stays, 4-night stays, cruises, dining vouchers, also electronics. For those in the United States, you can get electronics for free. Of course, shipping is you would have to pay shipping, and you will get these items, but they're well worth the value, right? You get discount cards for prescriptions, on and on and on. I just have a variety of different things that I can provide that's well worth the cost. So you never feel like, man, I don't have anything at the end of the day, or I got gypped or ripped off, because I give you a bonus. And the bonus is always more value than what you're actually investing on yourself in whatever opportunity it may be. Now, for my non-US residents who partner with me, I always, and I may do both, at times, I always link, like maybe I'll provide traffic. Now, like I said, traffic is what feeds your business, the advertising. So if you partner with me, I may provide some premium traffic sources, right, to get your business off and going. And sometimes I do both. I just want you to know that there's something for everybody. So once you partner with me, that I am there to help you out. So anyway, that's kind of all that I had. I just wanted to give a brief introduction of who I am, letting you know that I am a real person, not some scammer or schemer, whatever, out to get your money or whatever. I showed you that I'm a real person on social media, that you can always find me, and I always have my contact information available. And yeah, let's do this. I'm always here to help. Some opportunities I basically set up for you. Some opportunities I have those excellent bonuses that I offer. And also I have free opportunities. But anyway, that's all I want to do is introduce myself. I can always be contacted, and just click the link below or above, wherever that link may be, and it will take you to the offer, whatever offer that may be. But believe me, if I provided it and if I showing you about it, it does work, and you can have success. And partnering with me will, should make you feel a little bit more comfortable. Okay. Well, anyway, that's all that I got. Like I said before, look out for that email from me, Steve, at simplepathtofreedom.com. And I'll talk to you later.